Hi there, Peter here at 84rv.com, and today we're looking at the 2020 Forest River FR3 32DS. This unit has 4,200 miles on it. Our price on this is $88,985, and we'll go throughout this unit. We'll look at some of the features and the floor plan. As you can see, it's got the electric roll-out awning with LED package, 4-point auto leveling jack system, exterior TV and entertainment system, triple electric step. And as we head in here, got residential style linoleum throughout. Just a huge floor plan. This unit's got 2 slide outs, one in the living room, one in the hallway, and in the bedroom. Kitchen area, bunks with master bedroom in the back. So we'll take a look around. We'll start in the front. And this has a full-size bunk, electric bunk that works down from the ceiling. You can still drive with this bunk bed down. Captain chairs that spin. Backup camera. Side cameras. Cruise control. Again, this RV's got 4,200 miles on it. Just a huge dinette. Flat screen TV. Taking a look at the kitchen. These are the Landis ash cabinets in the kitchen. Magic Chef microwave, 3-burner cooktop with oven. We have a residential style kitchen faucet, LED light package throughout. And as we pan onto this refrigerator, this is a 12 cubic foot 4-door refrigerator. Just gonna keep a ton of food cold. Thing's huge. We have a sofa that works down to a full-size bed with foot recliners. Plenty of pantry space for all your food next to the refrigerator. This has got front and rear air conditioning, ducted air conditioning, ducted heat. Taking a look at those bunk beds in the hallway. That lower bunk works from a bed to a sofa. LED light package. Flat screen TV in the hallway. King size bed in the master bedroom. These are the black walnut cabinets here in the master bedroom with flat screen TV. We've got USB ports here in the master bedroom as well. Privacy door. We'll take a quick look at this bathroom. Just a gorgeous bathroom. Beautiful glass doors for the shower. Plenty of space in that shower. Lots of space in the bathroom. Just a huge floor plan. Perfect for a family. RV has 42,000 miles, 4,200 miles. Our price is $88,985. 84rv.com is the website. 84rv.com. Please call us if you have questions. 84rv.com. 2020 Forest River FR3 32DS. Thank you for watching.